Goldbach's conjecture. You know what's a conjecture? A conjecture is a true statement, okay? It is a true statement, but it hasn't been proved yet. Hasn't been proved. If it has been proved, then it will become a theory, okay? So this person, he's a mathematician. In 1742, Goldbach, he came up with a statement that every even number greater than 2, okay, greater than 2 can be written as a sum of 2 primes. Understand this? This mathematician in 1742, he said that every even number greater than 2, it can be written as a sum of 2 primes. That means 4 can be written as 2 plus 2. 6 can be written as 3 plus 3. 8 can be written as 2 primes. 8 is 5 plus 3. They are both prime numbers. So every prime number, every even number can be written as a combination of 2 prime numbers. He has managed to come up with many examples. Only thing, he couldn't prove this, okay? So what he did is, at that time, he wrote to his friend Euler. Euler, if you know, is a very famous mathematician who has written many books. And he asked his friend to help him to prove this formula, to prove this statement, okay? But Euler, he tried also and he couldn't prove it, okay? So until today, nobody can prove this. And this has become, Goldbach's conjecture has become one of the millennium problems. If you know that there are 7 millennium mathematics problems, 7 millennium problems to be solved, and there's prize money for all these problems. Now, anybody who can solve any of these problems, they have a very big, huge prize money. I think there's a $1 million prize money for this problem. Okay, out of the 7 problems, 1 problem has already been solved. So there's another 6 millennium problems. So if you want to go, you can later Google and find out what are the 6 millennium problems. So this is one of the problems that have not been solved until today. Solved means they must prove that this is true for any number. So they must show the mathematical formula why it is true for any single number. But of course, they can give many examples, okay, like what we are going to do now, okay. Let's look at other even numbers and let's try to write this as a sum of 2 primes. How about 10? How can we write this as a sum of 2 primes?
5 plus 5, 7 plus 2.
5 plus 5 and 7 plus 3. Okay, they are both correct. Both of these are sum of 2 primes. How about 12? Seven plus 5?
7 plus 5.
Okay, 20?
7 plus 13.
7 plus 13. Correct. Any others?
17 plus 3.
Yes, 17 plus 3. Okay, good. Okay, how about we go slightly bigger, okay? How about 56? 56, 48, and 64. You try these 3 numbers. Anybody got any suggestions for 56?
37 and 19.
37 plus 19, 30, 40, 56. Yes, correct. 37 plus 19. Anything else?
5 plus 51.
5 plus
51.
51. Yes, 5 plus 51. Okay, correct. Any more? Okay, how about 48?
41 plus 7.
41 plus 7. Okay, good. Any more?
31 plus 17.
31 plus 17. 30, 40, 48. Yes. Okay, 64.
51 plus
51 plus 13, is it? 50, 60, 64. Okay, correct?
Madam,
Yeah?
51 is not prime number.
51, can divide by what number? 3. Oh yeah, it's not a prime number. 3 can divide by 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, this one is wrong. Okay. Anything else?
Sixty-one plus 3.
Again? 61.
61.
61 plus 3, 61, okay, this is a prime number. Okay, 61 plus 3. Good. Anything else for 64?
7 plus 17.
7 plus
47 plus 17.
47 plus 17, 40, 50, 64. Yes, 47 plus 17. Okay, good. So this is Goldbach's conjecture. You can, so I think you're good. So maybe you can try, go for the Millennium Prize. Go and try the Millennium Problem. Okay, so we have finished with Goldbach's conjecture. So today we did two things. One is we look at the relationship between HCF and LCM. We look at how we can find HCF and LCM using the Venn diagram. And number two is we looked at Goldbach's conjecture. Okay, so we have finished with this. And let's go back to your module. Okay. We just run through the questions here. Is there anything here that you cannot do? Find the highest common factor of 60 and 96. Can, right? HCF. You know how to do this, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2 can be done, right? Find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Can, okay. Number 3, no problem. Number 4. Oh, this one, we did this just now, okay. Number 5. You can do this, right? We have already done this just now. Something like this. Okay, so number 6, use a Venn diagram and use it to find this HCF and LCM given. Draw your Venn diagram and find the answers. Also can be done. Number 7, you're given 3 numbers. Okay, these 3 numbers are a little bit huge, a little bit big, but can be done. Okay. Number 8, which is the highest value? Okay. Okay, let's look at number 9. Okay, a red light flashes every 28 seconds. Okay, a green light flashes every 24 seconds. They both flash at the same time. After how many seconds will they next both flash at the same time? What kind of a problem? What are we looking for here? What are we searching? What are we going to find? What are we going to find? They said a red light flashes every 28 seconds. That means, what is every 28 seconds? That means 28. After that, the next time flash will be
29.
56, right? The next time will be
84.
84, yes, and so on. The green light flashes first time 24. Next time will be 48. After that
72.
72 and so on. So what are the numbers becoming bigger, double. So what kind of numbers are these? Is this
Lowest common factor.
yes, lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple, yeah. So this is what we are looking for. When they give like this, they're talking about lowest common multiple. So we're going to find the lowest common multiple. That is your answer. Okay. So sometimes the question is like this. You must think and see what is it lah. Okay, number 10. Okay, number 10, they've given a condition. That means there may be more than one answer, but because the condition is both the numbers are less than 100, maybe you will get two numbers lah. Okay, so you can do this on Friday. Okay, any more questions? Any questions? Can understand everything today?
Yes.
Okay, so we finished our class for today. So before you go, don't go out first, okay?